Cline versus Kilo Code. Which coding tool is better? Choosing the right coding tool can make a huge difference in how efficiently you write code, debug problems, and build projects. Cline and Kilo Code are two tools aimed at helping developers code faster and more effectively, but they focus on different experiences and workflows. Cline is built around streamlined command line and AI-assisted development, while Kilo Code focuses on an intuitive, lightweight coding interface with productivity features. This comparison breaks down how each tool works, so you can decide which one suits your coding style best. Cline is a coding tool designed to integrate tightly with the command line and developer workflows. It typically offers fast access to coding functions directly from terminal environments, making it ideal for developers who are comfortable with command line interfaces and want to stay in a workflow without switching apps. Cline often includes AI-assisted code generation, smart suggestions, and rapid navigation features that help speed up repetitive tasks and boilerplate creation. Its strength lies in keeping coding light and efficient without overwhelming the developer with a heavy graphical interface. Kilo Code is a lightweight coding platform that focuses on providing a clean, intuitive interface for building and editing code. It aims to blend simplicity with essential productivity features, offering smart autocomplete, syntax highlighting, and easy project navigation that doesn't require steep learning. Kilo Code works well for developers who prefer a visual environment with helpful editor tools that reduce friction while writing and refactoring code. Its design makes it easy to get started, while still giving power users the tools they need for more complex tasks. Both tools can help you code faster, but they approach the workflow differently. Cline keeps you close to the command line with quick access and AI-powered assistance, making it appealing to seasoned developers and terminal lovers. Kilo Code prioritizes an accessible, lightweight editor experience that feels familiar and efficient without requiring command line expertise. Your choice may come down to whether you prefer terminal-centric speed or a visual editor with built-in productivity tools. Feature comparison. Cline and Kilo Code each excel in different environments. Cline is ideal for developers who love the command line and want AI-assisted workflows without leaving the terminal. Kilo Code is perfect for those who prefer a lightweight, visual editor with helpful tools that make writing and managing code easy. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize terminal-focused coding or an intuitive editor experience. Final thoughts. If you want a fast, command-line-centric tool with AI help and rapid navigation, Cline is a strong choice. If you prefer a clean, accessible code editor with built-in productivity features that help you stay focused, Kilo Code is an excellent option. Ultimately, the best coding tool for you depends on your comfort with the command line and the type of workflow that helps you code most effectively.